Riverbend Agnes Water. It's finally taking shape and we're so excited to see it. It's really magnificent. You know, gourmet is a word that gets tossed around a lot, but the kitchens at Riverbend truly are gourmet. Look at the size of this bench. It's amazing. Bosch appliances, including the oven, the flush cooktop, the range hood, the dishwasher. It's ready to go. Such a beautiful kitchen. I wish you could come up and see it for yourself. It would really be fantastic.